Jasdan, the small princely state of Old Kathiawad. It has released its own postage stamp. Hingolgarh is famous for diamond polishing, production of agricultural tools, environmental pilgrimage and bird sanctuary. And it is also famous for renowned ornithologist Lav Kumar Khachar and for its metal artwork. The small princely state of Vika Khachar is now pride of Gujarat for making small metal boxes called pataras used for storing precious items. Patara artisans are skilled in metal artwork and make various types of handicraft items.
સરકાર તરફથી અમને ગુજરીનો ને એનો બી લાભ બહુ મળેલો. જસદણમાં અમારે છેલ્લા 10 વર્ષથી આ ઉદ્યોગ એવો વિકાસ બહુ સારો થયો છે અને બહુ આગળ લગી એટલે દેશ વિદેશોમાં અને આઉટ રાજ્યમાં બધે પણ બહુ પૂરી માંગ છે. અમારે અહીંયા 5,000-7,000 કારીગરોની રોજીરોટી મળે છે. લેડીઝો બી કામ કરે છે, બૈરાઓ બી કામ કરે છે. બહુ સારું છે એમ.
We know that there are various uses of metal in our day-to-day life. Metals are used for making cooking utensils and metal boxes like pataras. In the past, there was a custom to offer gifts to the daughter during a marriage, and each gift, apart from having utility, used to have an artistic touch. In small artistic patara boxes, women used to keep their ornaments safely. These pataras are a symbol of status. In many houses of Jasdan, people are involved in handicraft, for which they use wood, resin, metal strips, solutions, etc. as raw material. The metal handicraft work is an artwork that requires micro-precision. Various types of designs are engraved and meenakari is done on these items to make it attractive and beautiful. In this cottage industry, apart from family members, thousands of youth of Jasdan and surrounding villages are engaged.
સ્ટીલની થાળી આવે છે આ એની ઉપર આવી રીતના આવડું રેક્ઝિન લગાવવામાં આવે છે અને પછી આ એલ્યુમિનિયમ આવે છે અને પ્રેસ કરીને આ ડિઝાઇન પાડવામાં આવે છે જેની ઉપર આ વર્ક કરવામાં આવે છે બ્લેક કલરનું પછી આ રીતના રેક્ઝિન આમ ચોંટાડવામાં આવે છે ના એલ્યુમિનિયમનું કટિંગ કરીને બધી ડિઝાઇનો પાડવામાં આવે છે આની ઉપર રેક્ઝિન ઉપર આ બધું એસઆર ઉપર થાય છે પાછળ એસઆર લગાડવામાં આવે છે.
Artistic skill is very essential for self-employment, and people who have these traditional ancestral skills and those who have learned this can make these items and will never be unemployed. The metal artwork activity in Jasdan has created lot of employment for women. Women possess an innate ability to carry out artwork with patience and precision. Making of metal work requires precision, and women can do it very easily and speedily. Hence, women have an advantage in metal work. By engaging in these works, they become self-employed, and in that way, they contribute financial help to their families. In the market, these items are available because these items are made locally. But there is a tremendous demand of Gujarati handicrafts in foreign countries. Today, these items are being exported worldwide.
ગવર્મેન્ટ થ્રુ અમને સરકાર દ્વારા ગુરુજી દ્વારા અમને એક્ઝિબિશનથી લાભ મળે. એક્ઝિબિશનમાં જ આવીને તો એમાં નવા નવા દ્વારા કોન્ટેક્ટ થાય અને નવા નવા આપણે વેપારી મળે અને બીજું આપણે શું છે જાણકારી કે કંઈક એમાં નવી ડિઝાઇનો આપણે જોવા મળે એની અંદર નવી ડિઝાઇનો આપણે કંઈક ડેવલપ કરી શકીએ.
The artistic metal pan box are invariably available in Nagar families of Saurashtra. In the Jasdan market, there are shops selling agricultural tools. But in comparison, there are many showrooms which sell metal art items. Items made by artisans are displayed for sale. Many people visit Jasdan to purchase metal items. The cottage industry of metal artwork is well developed in Jasdan. It strengthens the employment sector. Young boys and girls from surrounding villages come to learn these skills. After that, they also get employment. The metal handicraft not only decorate the houses, but it also creates new opportunities of employment. In Jasdan, very attractive and beautiful temples of several designs are made, and people purchase these temples for their homes. Whenever we see such artistic temples at any place, we surely remember Jasdan. The government of Gujarat promotes such type of traditional arts. The Handicraft Corporation encourages artisans to protect their ancient art.
ગરવી ગુજરીએ સેમિનાર કરેલા એમાં નવી ડિઝાઇનનું અમને ઘણું જાણવા મળ્યું, ઘણું શીખવા મળ્યું. એમાં ઘણી આઈટમ પ્રોડક્ટ અમે એમને બનાવીને પણ આપી અને ઘણાને રોજીરોટી ચાલી. એમાં ગરવી ગુજરીનો સહયોગ બહુ મળ્યો છે અમને અને આવો સહયોગ મળતો રહે, અમે એના આભારી છીએ.
Various handicrafts by artisans from interior villages of Gujarat are displayed at Gurjari Emporium, better known as Garvi Gujarat. These emporiums are built across India, are spread across India. Many traders from other provinces and abroad are also attracted to them, and hence a big market can be created. Innovative research must be carried out so that precious metal artwork of Jasdan remains alive. Indeed, the enthusiasm of the artisans and the craftsmen for Patara would take the craft to a global platform. Gujarat is a land of vibrant arts. All the districts of Gujarat have immense talent in various vibrant handicraft work. Whether it may be Kutch or Sankeda or Vadvan of Surendranagar, Patola of Patan or silk work of Surat. These handicraft works have put Gujarat in the global market and at the same time created a unique image of arts and craft artisans of Gujarat. It has helped in establishing a place for Gujarat's pride, its handicrafts across the world.